everyone. Today in this video we are going to start a new chapter, that is string, chapter number 8 of your book. Okay, so first of all let us know what is string. In Java, a string is defined as it is sequence of character. String is sequence of characters and it can be used in two ways. First way to use a string is as a composite data type, means you can use like this: string str equal to, suppose Madonna. Here string is used as a data type, and the second is string can be used as an object. String str equal to new string Madonna. What are the differences between two? In the first case, string is a data type. Here string is a data type, and the second case, here str, this str is an object. So string can be used in two ways. Okay. Now here are some important points regarding the string. That like arrays, string also starts with 0 position character. It means the position of first character in string is 0. Okay, and before going to proceed some more topics on a string, first of all we will have to know that here are some what are the different functions of a string to be used in the program while making the program. Okay, so let us see. Okay, the functions of a string that we have to discuss. Functions in a string. First function is length. This length function is used to get number of characters in the string. To get number of characters in the string, it means suppose we have a string str equal to Madonna, and we have to know that how many characters are in this string. So for that we will use this length function, system.out.println str.length. It will return you number of characters, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So total number of characters in Madonna is 7. So this function will return you 7. Now here comes a question that in arrays we have also studied a topic topic length, and here is also length. What is the difference between this length and this length? What is the difference between this and this? So I would like to clear it. This length is a variable and this length is a function. This length is used to get size of array, and this length is used to find number of characters in the string. Getting my point? So these are the differences. Generally this type of question is asked in the board examination. What is the difference between this and this? Getting my point? Okay. Now the next function is to lowercase. As the meaning suggests, to lowercase means this function will be used to convert the string into lowercase. Suppose some characters in the string are already in lowercase, that will remain as it is, but the characters which are in uppercase will be converted into lowercase. Suppose here is a string str equal to Madonna. Here in this string some characters are in uppercase and some are in lowercase. So as we will convert this string into lowercase by using to lowercase function, the output that we will get will be all the characters will be in a small Madonna. So the characters have been converted into lowercase. A, O, double N are already in lowercase, that will remain as it is, but M, D and A have been also converted into lowercase. Getting my point? Now the second function is uppercase. This is function number 3. This uppercase is used to convert all the characters into uppercase. Suppose in this Madonna, M, D and A are already in uppercase, so they will remain as it is, but the characters which are in lowercase like A, O and N will also be converted into uppercase to uppercase, so the output will be MADONNA. In this way we can use the function. Okay, now let us see another function. It starts with this function, as the name suggests, starts with. This is used to check whether the string starts with particular character or not. Suppose sometimes we have to look for that the particular string starts with A, D, O, like this. You have to search for the string starting with A. You have to look for the string starting with S. Okay na? So for that this function is used. Suppose we have a string str equal to Madonna, okay, and sopln str dot starts with, suppose a small m. What will this function return? Here the string is starting with capital M, but you are looking for small m, so this will return false. But as you will write here capital M, definitely here the string starts with capital M and you are also looking for capital M, so it will return true. Okay, as we have used starts with, in the same way, and here is another function that is ends with. This ends with is used to check whether the string is ending with the particular character or not. So here is a ends with, okay, and suppose here we will write a small a, this will return true because Madonna ends with the last character of the Madonna is small a. You can also search for more than you can also search with more than one characters. Suppose here you can look for ending with NA, this will also return true. Okay, but as you will write here N and capital A, this will return false because Madonna is ending with a small a and you are looking with capital A, so it will return false. Okay, now here is another function char add. Char add, as the name suggests, this function is used to find the character at the particular position. This function is used to find the character at the particular position. Suppose we have a string str equal to Madonna, and we have to look for the character str dot char at, suppose 2. What is the character at position 2? What is the, we have to look for the character at position 2. So what will be the output? In the starting I told you that a string starts with 0 position. So 0 1 2 at second position, which character represent D, so it will return you D. And as there is character char at the particular position, in the same way we have another function that will be used to find the character at the given position, to find the position of a given character. We have another function index of, that is used to find the position of the given character. So we will see in the next function. Okay, here is index. Here is index of function. This index of function is of two types. One is parameterized and second is two parameterized. We will discuss one by one. But what is the use of this function? This is used to find the position of the given character. Suppose here is a string str equal to Madonna, okay, and we have to find the str dot index of, we have to find the index of n. Okay, so what will it return in this function? In this string Madonna, there are two n are present, but it will return you the first occurrence of n. This index of will return you first occurrence of n. The first occurrence of n is this, and what is it index? 0 1 2 3 4, so it will return you 4. Now here comes a question that how to find the next position of the given character. So for that we will have to use the index of function of second format that will accept two parameters. Here this index of function accepts only one parameter, that is the string or character to be searched. for which we have to find the position, but the second format is for the some more positions that occurs in the given string. So suppose here I am going to change Madonna English School, Madonna English School, and suppose we have to look for the position of n after this position. After this position was 4. Suppose here I am giving comma 5. Now look for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5th position n is present, so it will return you 5. Suppose here we will give 6. If you give here 6, so after on and after 6 it will return for n 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 position not present n, 7 not present, 8 not present, 9. At 9th position n is present, so it will return you 9. So in this way index of function is working. Okay. So now let us see the next function. Okay, now the next function is substring. This is also very important. Substring. It is also in the 2 format. Substring is also in 2 format. But what is the use of this substring? If you have a long string and you have to extract a small string from the given string, this substring function will be used. So suppose example, here is string str equal to Madonna system dot out dot println str dot substring. Suppose here I am giving 2. So what will it return? Actually this 2 is the start position. This 2 is the start position. This 2 is the start position. It means starting 0, 1, 2, starting with this 2 till the last of the case string, it will return the substring, means DONNA. Okay. So this is the start position. Starting from the given position till the last character of the string, it will return you the substring. Okay. Now here is the second format of this substring, means that will be of 2 parameterized. Suppose here I am giving 2, 5. So 2 is the start string and 5 is the last string, end position. 2 is the start position, 5 is the end position, but this last index will not be included before it, means starting from 2, here look for starting from 2, 3, 4, 1 less than the end position, 1 less than the end position, it returns the substring, means the substring will be DON. In this way we can use substring in 2 formats. First is single parameterized, that accepts the start position, and the second is start and last end position, but the end position is not included, it returns 1 less than the end position. Suppose you give here 5, you have to take the characters 2 to 4, 1 less than 5 means 2 to 4. Getting my point? So this is substring. Now the next function is trim. What is this function? Suppose we have a string str equal to Madonna. Here the spaces are given in the beginning and at the end of this string Madonna. Here are some spaces and here are also some spaces. So this trim function is used to remove all the spaces before and after the string. So it means, suppose if you print system.out.println str, simple, you will print str. So if this is the output screen, your output will come like this. Here is after space Madonna, and here I am going to concatenate plus school. Then what will be the output? Before Madonna here is a space, after Madonna a space, and after a space it will return you school. Okay. Now if you have to remove the spaces, so how will you write? str.trim plus school. So now the output will be like this: Madonna, all the spaces will be removed, this space will be removed, this space will be removed, Madonna, and school will be along with. Okay. So trim is used to remove the spaces before and after the string. Okay. Now here is one more function, that is concat function. Let us see concat function. Okay. This function is used to concatenate the two string. Concatenation means joining. Concatenation means joining of two string is called concatenation. So suppose here is a string S1 equal to Madonna. Second string is school. So if you have to concatenate the two, system.out.println S1 dot concat S2, you will get the output like this. First is S1, so first Madonna will come here, Madonna, and after that S2 is after that, so school will come after Madonna. Okay, suppose if you have to give the space between Madonna and school, then the syntax will be like this: system.out.println S1 dot concat, you give you a space dot concat again, concat S2. So in this way, first Madonna will come, then a space will come, and then S2 means school will come. So it will give you a space between Madonna and school. So these are the different functions of a string that I have told you. You have to keep in mind all these functions at a tip of your, not only in mind, that must be at your tip of tongue. Okay, and then you can apply the brain, then you can apply the concept in the different programs of a string. Okay, so now in the next video we'll discuss different types of program based on the string. Okay, thank you.